many people would have this experience of trying to work on a problem and then getting in the car and driving home. And then when they're listening to the radio and looking out the window, the answer pops
Or they're
in.
in the shower.
Or they're in the shower.
Yeah.
Or they're on vacation, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What is actually happening? And how can I systematically create that on a daily basis to not have to wait for these eureka moments to spontaneously occur? You know, so I recognize that the market itself is alive. And I call her Mrs. Market. And what, you know, that's just me having a relationship with her. But I started to realize that what if this was a being, a personality, a person maybe? It is a collection of people after all. It is a collection of emotions. It's a collection of greed and
shared
desires
beliefs.
and
Essentially at its
fear.
core.
Yeah.
It's shared beliefs, yes? Or would you
It's
put it a
essentially
different way?
like an egregore. It's like a consciousness, or like it's a belief system.
Yeah.
I started looking at it like it was a real being. And instead of waking up each day and trying to control her, trying to figure her out, which anyone who's been in a relationship with a partner knows, like, you can't do that.
That might be the best wisdom on the whole pod right there.
Well, you can't
Do not try to control your woman.
Yeah.
And vice versa.
And so what do? You listen. You listen to her. She doesn't want you to tell her what to do. She wants you to listen to her. So what would it be like each day as an investor to do your regular work, trying to figure it out? You do all of your analytics and things like that, of course. You know, for you with the podcast, you can do all the things you normally would do about figuring out where to put marketing or
the search engine optimization. What are people searching for?
But then recognize that you work for the Josh Trent podcast. You are not the podcast. You work for a being that you're in relationship with, and imagining yourself in a dance with her and in bed with her. What are her limits and boundaries and desires? What are her emotions? She can take you to the highest of highs, and she can rip your heart out. And how to manage that, and how to be in a tango with her instead of trying to figure her out all the time. You still do all of that left brain work, but you open up to this right brain. So I've essentially created my entire course around that, in terms of bringing in all of the experiences that I kind of had, but I didn't know what to call them, and creating exercises, using my dreams at night, paying attention to my body symptoms and how to interpret them, you know, as investing allies, how to look at the dream-like level, how to look at synchronicities, how to look at all these different things, how to get into states of meditation where I can systematically detach from my portfolio to look at it from a different perspective, as if I went on vacation without having to wait 50 weeks to go to Aruba to have the insight, right? To have it then in the moment. Recognizing that there is so much more information than we're typically accessing on a daily basis. And it could actually help us make more money and give us more clarity on how we want to use and balance our life.
Check out some of the videos on this screen that are perfectly curated based on the video you just saw. Make sure you follow me, and I'll see you in the next video.